The Reminders feature in Fergus helps you automate customer communication, whether it's for upcoming quote visits, scheduled events, or following up on outstanding quotes and invoices. It's a great way to keep your customers informed and your workflow running smoothly. To set up reminders, head to Settings and the Reminders tab on the left. Note, if you want to send reminders via SMS, you'll need to enable this first. Click SMS settings in the top right corner and follow the setup steps provided. Need help? Check out our help guide for detailed instructions. Once SMS is enabled, return to the Reminders section to continue. There are 4 types of reminders available in Fergus. Scheduled event reminders. Send reminders for job-related events added to your calendar. Quote and estimate visit reminders. Automatically notify customers of upcoming quote or estimate appointments. Quote and estimate follow-ups. Remind customers to accept or decline quotes before they expire. And finally, invoice reminders. Automatically follow up on overdue invoices. For quote expiry and invoice reminders, you can choose to send notifications via SMS, email, or both. The other reminders must be sent via SMS. To enable a reminder, just toggle the switch. Remember to be mindful of the timing you choose for reminders. For example, if you set an SMS to go out 12 hours before a 1 PM job, it will send at 1 AM. Not ideal. We recommend scheduling reminders 24 hours in advance to ensure they're sent at a reasonable hour. Want to add a personal touch? Click View Template next to any reminder to edit the default message. This takes you directly to the template page, where you can customize the wording to suit your business tone and brand. And that's it! Once everything is set up, Fergus will handle your reminders automatically, helping you stay professional, prompt, and on top of your customer communications.